Okay, everybody, so on this stop on our sustainability tour, we are going to be looking at water. And really what I want to do is try to impress upon you guys just how important water is and how it is a non-renewable resource and something that we desperately need to take care of. As you guys are aware, you need water to survive, just as every other organism on the planet does. In fact, when astronomers hunt for planets to have other life, the first thing they look for is liquid water. It's that important that the only way any life can survive is that there's some sort of liquid water present. So much of this tour is going to be us talking about ways to act sustainably when using water. Georgia Southern has done a really innovative thing by utilizing something called purple pipe, right? And purple pipe is simply that. It's pipe that is colored purple. But the only reason it's used in construction is to transport reclaimed water. So instead of having all of the water that flows off of the roofs of buildings and down parking lots, instead of all of that water flowing into drains to be then discharged into a river, the water is reclaimed and reused typically as irrigation water. Because why would you use irrigation water when you can drink it, right? Why would you use drinkable water to irrigate the world when you can use water that has already been used for something else once? So if you come and look, if I could get the camera to come and take a quick look, this is an example of how these are installed. You guys will see this over the Georgia Southern campus, and you can see it says reclaimed water, do not drink, so it's non-potable, non-drinkable, but it is an extremely good way to preserve our water resources, which, as I mentioned, is the most important, really the most important way to act sustainably. So as we move through this tour, many of the things we're going to look at have to do with acting sustainability towards water. Some of the things you're probably aware of, like turning the faucet off while you brush your teeth, or maybe putting a bucket in your shower when you turn on the water to catch it, to be able to use that for irrigation rather than just let it go down the drain. Lots of things like that are very easy to do, and if we do them on a grand population scale, then we can really make an impact. Of course, it all starts with a single person. It starts with you and me. So let's move on to a couple other places and see some other sustainability processes specifically related to water.